Energy starts from what you put into your body. Discover a natural blend that supports men's daily strength and endurance. Today, we're sharing a refreshing natural blend made with simple ingredients that support men's daily strength, stamina, and long-lasting energy. The ingredients we're using are watermelon, ginger, and lemon. When blended together, they create a light, refreshing drink that fits well into a healthy daily routine. Let's begin with watermelon. Watermelon is rich in water content, natural electrolytes, and important nutrients that help support hydration. Staying hydrated is one of the most important factors in maintaining physical energy, focus, and endurance. When the body is well hydrated, muscles work more efficiently, circulation improves, and daily fatigue is reduced. Watermelon also contains natural compounds that support smooth blood flow, helping the body deliver oxygen and nutrients where they are needed most. This plays an important role in maintaining strength and consistent energy throughout the day. Next, let's talk about ginger. Ginger has been used for generations to support circulation, digestion, and natural body warmth. Healthy circulation helps transport nutrients and oxygen efficiently, which supports physical stamina and alertness. Ginger may also help the body feel more active and energized, especially during long or demanding days. When combined with proper nutrition and movement, ginger supports the body's natural rhythm and balance. Now let's look at lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help support the immune system and overall body function. Lemon also supports hydration and helps the body feel refreshed and recharged. Adding lemon to this blend enhances absorption of nutrients and provides a clean, refreshing taste that encourages regular consumption. A refreshed body often leads to better focus, stronger performance, and improved daily energy. To prepare this drink, add fresh watermelon, sliced ginger, and lemon into a blender. Blend until smooth and well combined. This blending process helps release the natural nutrients and makes the drink easy for the body to absorb. This natural blend works best when enjoyed as part of a healthy lifestyle, including balanced meals, regular physical activity, quality sleep, and stress management. Why this blend matters for men. As men face daily physical and mental demands, maintaining steady energy and endurance becomes increasingly important. This blend supports daily strength, long-lasting energy, healthy circulation, hydration, and recovery, overall vitality and confidence. It's important to remember that natural drinks support the body best when used consistently and responsibly. This blend is not a replacement for medical treatment, but rather a supportive addition to a healthy routine. When combined with positive lifestyle habits, this simple drink can help men feel more energized, focused, and ready to take on the day. Watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health and lifestyle content. Stay healthy, stay active, and we'll see you in the next video.